Hi, I am Revathi. I am working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Engineering in Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to discuss the topic about indexing. An index is a collection of data entries which is used to locate a record in a file. Index table consists of two parts. The first part consists of value of prime or non-prime attributes of file record known as indexing field, and the second part consists of a pointer to the location where the record is physically stored in memory. In general, index table is like index of a book that consists of name of topic and the page number. During searching of a file record, index is searched to locate the record memory address instead of searching a record in secondary memory. On the basis of the properties of that affects the efficiency of searching, the indexes can be classified into two categories, that is ordered indexing, hashed indexing. Ordered indexing. In ordered indexing, the record of the file are stored in some sorted order in physical memory. The values in the index are recorded so that the binary search can be performed on the index. Ordered index can be divided into two categories, that is dense indexing and sparse indexing. Dense indexing. Dense indexing, there is a record in index table for each unique value of the search key attribute of a file and a pointer to the first data record with the value. The other records with the same value of search key attributes are stored sequentially. Advantages of dense indexing. It is efficient technique for a small and medium-sized data file. Searching is comparatively faster and efficient. Disadvantages of dense index. Index table is larger and require more memory space. Insertion and deletion is comparatively complex, inefficient for large data files. Sparse index. On contrary, in sparse indexing, there are only some records in index table for unique values of the search key attributes of the file and a pointer to the first data record with that value. To search a record in sparse index, we search for a value that is less than or equal to value in the index which we are looking. After getting the first record, linear search is performed to retrieve the desired record, that is the most one sparse index, since it is not possible to build sparse index that is not clustered. Advantages of sparse index. Index table is small and hence save memory space. Insertion and deletion is comparatively easy. Disadvantages of sparse index. Searching is comparatively slower since index table is searched and then linear search is performed inside the secondary memory. Clustered and non-clustered index. Clustered index. In clustered index, index file records are stored physically in order of non-prime key attributes that does not have a unique value for each record. The non-prime key field is known as clustering field and index is known as clustering index. It is same as dense index. A file can have at most one clustered index as it can be clustered on at most one search key attribute. It may be sparse. Non-clustered index. An index that not clustered is known as non-clustered index. A data file can have more than one non-clustered index. Primary and secondary index. A primary index consists of all the prime key attributes of a table and a pointer to physical memory address of the record of data file. To retrieve a record on the basis of all primary key attributes, primary index is used for fast searching. Binary search is done on index table and then directly retrieve the record from physical memory. It may be sparse index. Advantages of primary index. Search operation is very fast. Index table record is usually smaller. A primary index is guaranteed not to duplicate. Disadvantages of primary index. There is only one primary index of a table. To search a record on less than all primary key attributes, linear search is performed on index table. To create a primary index of an existing table, record should be in some sequential order, otherwise database is required to be adjusted. Thank you.